A man facing homicide by vehicle charges in connection with a deadly Sioux City crash 2 years ago is set to plead guilty to those charges. 32-year-old Wesley Staten is due in Woodbury County District Court tomorrow afternoon for a plea hearing. Court documents didn't provide any further details, only that this hearing is in lieu of a trial that was due to start next month. Staten is charged with 2 counts of homicide by vehicle operating under the influence, leaving the scene of accident resulting in death, and operating while under the influence. That's in connection with a crash at West 6th Street and Wesley Parkway on the night of October 13, 2023. The crash killed Terry Frisbee and Judith Jordan. Police say Staten initially fled the scene, but later turned himself in and admitted to being the driver of the vehicle and to smoking marijuana before the crash.